Hello friends, let's have a discuss of NTA mock test। बात करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट की। तो जी फ्लोएम ट्रांसलोकेट अ वैरायटी ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक सॉल्यूट्स, ओके, इनऑर्गेनिक सॉल्यूट्स, ओके, बट वाटर इज ट्रांसलोकेट विद द हेल्प ऑफ जाइलम, यानी कि ऑप्शन से इज करेक्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकेंड, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ कैटाबॉलिक पाथवे। कैटाबॉलिक मतलब ब्रेक डाउन ऑफ ग्लूकोज इनटू लैक्टिक एसिड इन स्केलेटल मसल्स। दिस इज करेक्ट। हालांकि कैटाबॉलिज्म में कैटाबॉलिज्म और एनाबॉलिज्म मिला के हम मेटाबॉलिज्म बोलते हैं। जब कैटाबॉलिज्म और एनाबॉलिज्म दोनों प्रोसेस होती हैं जैसे बॉडी में, तो हम उसे कहते हैं मेटाबॉलिज्म। क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकेंड, रीड द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स आर ओके। In illusion, separated bands of DNA are cut out from agarose gel and extracted from the gel piece. Okay. फिर E. coli cloning vector PBR322 have several restriction sites, only antibiotic resistance gene and rope. Okay. The downstream processings and quality control testing vary from product to product, ये भी करेक्ट है, बट incompetent bacterial cells take up the plasmid, यानी all of these are correct. Question number 4, identify the correct statement. The size of thymus reduces with the age. Okay. Question number 5, XO type of sex determinations and XY type of sex determinations are examples of male heterogamity. Question number 6, which of the following statement regarding the structures of DNA is wrong? One turn of the helical structures of DNA has 10 base pairs. The nitrogenous bases are projected perpendicular to the sugar phosphate sugar backbone but face inside. Adenine and guanine of one stand compulsorily base pair with cytosine and thymine respectively. This is not for compulsory. Question number 7. In India, most widely reared honeybee species is Apis indica. Question number 8. Which one of the following can be utilized as biofertilizers in the cotton field? Azobacter coroococum. I think this is not given in entire NCERT. Question number 9. Identify the wrong statement. Organs that perform the same functions that are not similar in structures. This is incorrect. Which of the following has been covered under the broad patent category Oryza sativa? Question number 11. Choose the correct options considering the following statements. Chipko movement was headed by Sundar Lal Bahuguna. The main reasons for deforestation is urbanization. चिपको मूवमेंट का सबसे पहले स्टार्ट किया था बिश्नोई कम्युनिटी ने। क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. Select the odd one out regarding pre-fertilizations with embryo formations. Question number 13. The most widely used contraceptives in India intrauterine devices. Question number 14. Transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma of same flower autogamy. Transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma of anther flower of the same plant. गिटोनोगमी. उसके बाद फिर ट्रांसफर ऑफ पॉलन ग्रेन्स फ्रॉम एंथर टू स्टिग्मा ऑफ फ्लावर ऑफ डिफरेंट प्लांट. जीनोगमी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. 15. Which of the following show inverted pyramid of number tree ecosystem in forest? Question number 16. In species area relationship, the value of regression coefficient for Z is depends on the area of explorations. Question number 17. Which group are represent external genitalia of humans female? Labium minorum, labium majora, or clitoris? Question number 18. In monocotyledonous plants, leaves generally do not possess differentiated leaf mesophils, reticulate venations, open vascular bundles. All of these are correct. Question number 19. Which of the following is odd one out with respect to a free living nitrogen fixing bacterium? Rhizobium is free living. Azobacter, Bacillus, Rhodospirillum. Question number 20. The yellow color of urine is due to urochrome. Question number 21. In man, coccygeal bone is formed by the fusions of which vertebrate? Which vertebrae found number vertebrae? Question number 22. Adventitious roots are those arising from any part of the plants other than radical. Question number 23. Which of the following is true regarding difference between RBCs of humans and frogs? Humans RBCs are biconcave while frogs RBCs are biconvex. Question number 24. Which of the following factors will decrease oxygenation's anemia? Question number 25. The evolutionary sequence is थैलोफाइटा, ब्रायोफाइटा, फिर टेरिडोफाइटा, उसके बाद फिर फेनेरोगैम्स. टेरिडो के बाद फिर अगर देखा जाए तो टेरिडोफाइटा, फिर जिम्नोस्पर्म, फिर एंजियोस्पर्म. Question number 26. From which was Zeytin isolated groundnut? Question number 27. In a cell, the main arena of various types of activities is cytoplasm. Question number 28. Diagram across sections. A leaf showing cranch anatomy, dimorphic chloroplast. Question number 19. Species interactions in which both again negative influence is referred to as competition में माइनस माइनस टाइप का रिलेशनशिप होता है, यानी कि दोनों लोगों को नुकसान. Question number 30. The importance of micro elements was recognized late because of presence as contaminants in nutrients. Question number 31. Which of the following statements truly explains the respiratory tract is the right lung is larger than left? Expiration is predominantly a passive phenomena. Air enters the lungs because of created negative pressures. All of these are correct. Right lungs have three lobes, but left lobes have two lobes. Question number 35, 32. Which of the following is wrong regarding the saturated fatty acid? They esterify with glycerol to form hard fats. Okay, फिर they increase the risk of heart disease. Correct, but they can undergo hydrogenation reactions. No. फिर option they do not have double bonds. Question number 33. Diploid phase of meiosis is also characterized by the dissolutions of synaptonemal complex फिर appearance of accept structures. क्वेश्चन नंबर 34. दिस इज गिवन इन एनसीईआरटी. यहाँ पर पीएच के बारे में पूछा गया है. पीएच इस बक्कल कैविटी की बात करी जाए तो यहाँ पर होता है 6.8. फिर एस्टमक 1.8. फिर इंटेस्टाइन आई थिंक 7.8. बट दिस वैरी इन देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ बुक्स. ओके. Question 35. Mollusca respires and excrete through the feather-like gills. Question 36. The neurotransmitters of a preganglionic sympathetic fibers is acetylcholine. Question 37. Feeling of tremors of an earthquake. A scared resident of seventh floor of a multi-stored multi-storied buildings starts climbing down the stairs rapidly. Which hormones initiated this action is adrenaline. Question number 38. The cytochromes which donates electron to free oxygens in electron transport system is cytochrome A3. Question number 39. Which one of the following is the correct match of the site of the actions on the given substrate, the enzymes acting upon it, and the end product of helium to dipeptides with the presence of dipeptidase to form amino acid? Question number 40. The possibilities of a female becoming hemophilic is extremely rare because the mother of such a female has to at least carrier and father should be hemophilic. Question of 41. Question of 41. The hominoid associated with cave paintings is Cro-Magnon man as the brain cavity of 1600 cc. Question of 42. Ultraviolet rays is the snow blindness caused. उसके बाद बायोडिग्रेडेबल ऑर्गेनिक मैटर बीओडी से मैच करता है. उसके बाद बात करते हैं डाइक्लोरो डाइफेनाइल ट्राइक्लोरो इथेन फॉर बायोमैग्निफिकेशंस. Phosphates for eutrophications. This is match. Question of 43. Out of the following, which diseases are caused by a virus? Polio and measles, rabies and mumps, AIDS and flu.
Question number 44. The endosperms in angiosperms develops from the primary endosperms nucleus. Question number 45. Which of the following shows that gastrulation is terminated? Obliterations of blastocele. Question number 46. Who provided the concept that states that one angiosperm species is becoming extinct every day in India? Swaminathan. Question number 47. Colocasia for bulbotuber. I think correct match. Okay. फिर जिंजर और जिंजिबर ऑफ स्नेस फॉर जिंजर यानी कि फिर ये राइजोम ओके फिर टर्मरिक कॉर्म नो फिर कैना राइजोम ओके क्वेश्चन ऑफ 48 बैक्टीरिया माइक्रो कंज्यूमर्स ग्रीन प्लांट्स ट्रांसड्यूसर्स प्राइमरी सक्सेशन प्रीसियर फिर सक्सेशन और बेयर रॉक लिथोसियर Question number 49. In insects, which hormone is responsible for growth and metamorphosis for juvenile hormone? Question number 50. Which is one of the oldest living fossils that are remained unchanged for the last several thousand years for Ginkgo biloba? Question number 51. This is the represent of chain elongation catalyzed by RNA polymerase in prokaryotes. Question number 52. Identify the regions meristematic elongations and maturations based on the features given below. As cells increase in number and so does the size of vacuoles and new cells wall depositions of elongation cell are rich in protoplasm, large conspicuous nucleus, thin cellulosic cell wall with plasmodesmata connections. This is the connections of meristematic cells. फिर ऑप्शन सी cell cells attain their maximum sizes in terms of wall thickening and protoplasmic modifications of maturations. Question of 53. Identify the correct statements for the given pedigree. Considered trait is autosomal recessive. Question of 54. Populations of an area is decided by I migration, natality and mortality. Question of 55. Okay. Endangered species at the place out of their natural habitats involved in the conservation. Okay. यानी कि exceed. Find out how many are involved in the conservation of endangered species at the place out of there. Okay. यानी कि ex situ conservation. National parks, sacred groves, botanical garden, ex situ, wildlife safari. Okay. In situ, फिर बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व्स, सीड बैंक ex situ, जूलॉजिकल पार्क ex situ, वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी ex situ, यानी कि 4 इन नंबर. Question of 56. The introductions of cry first AB gene made Bt corn resistant to corn borer disease. Question of 57. Which of the following methods causes water to rise in plants by transpirations and root pressures, pulling and pushing respectively? Question of 58. Microbes are present in soil inside and body polluted water. Question of 59. In chloroplast, the primary photochemical reactions occur in quantasomes. Question number 60. This is most important question. मैंने कई बार इस क्वेश्चन को करवाया है. तो P दिया है पोलर न्यूक्लियाई को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है और जो सी दिया है ये सिनर्जिस्ट सेल। ओके, जो बी दिया है मेल गैमीट्स को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 61, correct match. Okay, angiosperms have the presence of vessels as are distinctive features. Okay, correct. Xylem fibers have highly thickened walls and obliterate central lumen. This is correct. And option C, xylem parenchyma cells are living and thin walled and their cells wall are made up of cellulose. This is correct. Option D, xylem parenchyma store food material in the form of starch, fat and other substances such as tannins. This is correct. And all of these are correct. Question number 62. Which of the following is a reducing agent in alcoholic and lactic acid fermentation for NAD plus 2 proton ion? Question number 63. Identify the incorrect statement from the following options. Option first. One myth associated with vasectomy in the reductions of libido oblique sexual desire. Okay, this is myth. ये myth है. ऑप्शन सी, काउंसलिंग एंड क्रिएटिंग अवेयरनेस, जबकि ऐसा होता नहीं. Pupils about safe and hygienic sexual practices is the primary step towards reproductive health. फिर medical terminations of pregnancy is generally performed to get rid of unwanted pregnancy caused by rapes, contraceptive failures, causal unprotected sex. But option D, sterilization is not a very effective होता है contraceptive technique but has a high reversibility. No, not highly reversibility. Of of question number 64. Okay, Brassicaceae family. Brassicaceae is not for Brassicaceae, the Solanaceae family. Question number 65. In blood cells counting, which is caused as an anticoagulant? Option C is correct. यानी कि इथाइलिन डाइएमीन टेट्रा एसीटेट. Question number 66. This is direct given in NCERT. क्वेश्चन ऑप्शन सेकेंड यानी कि पर ग्राम स्क्वायर पर ईयर इनवर्स. उसके बाद फिर जो दिया है 4 नंबर पे किलो कैलोरी पर स्क्वायर पर ईयर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 67. Which of the following statement is incorrect about the following diagram? Capsomeres are arranged in helical forms. Okay. Passes non-infectious RNA. This is infectious RNA. Proteins are the main component of the crystals. It is first viruses to discovered. Yes. क्वेश्चन नंबर 68. दिस इज डायरेक्ट मैच है. ओके, इसमें कुछ करना नहीं है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 69. फाइंड आउट द करेक्ट मैच बिटवीन एन endocrine disorder, its cause and conditions for diabetes insipidus, hyposecretions of vasopressins, diuresis. क्वेश्चन नंबर 70. आउट ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑप्शंस बी इज इंडिकेट्स, यानी कि बी जो रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है इनविशंस ऑफ सक्सिनिक एसिड को. डिहाइड्रोजिनेज बाय माइलोनेट बाय कॉम्पिटिटिव इनहिबिशंस. Question number 71. Which of the following is not true about menopause? At menopause, there is an increase in urinary excretions of FSH. Okay, फिर follicular atresia is the primary reasons for cessations of menstruations at 45 to 50 years of age. Females experience night sweats, hot flashes, mood fluctuations, and cognitive changes at menopause, but not okay. Hormone replacement therapy with gonadotropins can treat menopausal syndromes. No. Question number 72. A mitosis is does not involve spindle formation but involve in a method of growth and the development of multicellular organisms is also called indirect cell division and forms distinct chromosomes. Question number 73. The type of dentition in crocodile is thecodont. Question number 74. AIDS is characterized by the reductions in number of helper T4 lymphocyte to less than 200 per milliliter in blood. Question number 75. The arrangement of sepals and petals is known as for estivations. Question number 76. Which of the following regions of the incorrectly paired with its functions medulla oblongata homeostatic controls but cerebellum language comprehensions? No, this is Broca's area. Corpus callosum communications between the left and the right cerebral cortices. Okay, cerebrum calculations and contemplations. Question number 77. Which of the following is part of micropropagations vegetative multiplications of plants by using small explants? Question number 78. Which one of the following four secretions is correctly matched with its source, target, and natures of actions? Ethyl NF SAN sinusoidal node फिर extra glomerulus apparatus AGA फिर inhibits of the release of renin. This is correct matching. Question number 79. Which of the following structures of a plant cell most often that has the greatest volumes for volume? Vacuole. Question number 80. Radial symmetry is found in coelentrates, ctenophores, echinodermates. Question number 81. Which one of the following give a positive test and with iodine solution starch? Question number 82. Incorrect. Lamarck theory of evolution is called the theory of inheritance of acquired character. Darwin was influenced by the essay of Malthus. According to Darwinism, evolution is a jerky and its continuous process. No, this is not correct. Question 83. A freshwater organisms cannot survive in a water body that has greater than its original habitat because salt concentration is high. Question 84. Bentham and Hooker ordinance anomaly includes which of the following is a few orders which could not place satisfactorily in the classification but this is not given in NCERT. Question 85. The conservation of mutant type into wild type is called backward mutations. Question 86. Which of the following is distinguishes a branch of simple leaves from pinnate compound leaves is axillary buds in the exile of its leaves, flowers, apical buds, and all of these. Question 87. In unfavorable conditions, lime molds forms fruiting body. Question 88. As genetically engineered microorganisms used successfully in bioremediations of oil spills is a species of Pseudomonas. Question 89. Where will you find Helicotrema, tip of cochlea? Question 90. Find out incorrect match. UAG start codon? No. UAC initiator tRNA AUG start codon और ORI for DNA replications. इस प्रकार आपके 90 क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट होते हैं. आई होप आप लोगों को वीडियो पसंद आई होगी. तो प्लीज़ जिन लोगों ने चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए. आप लोग चैनल देखते हैं लेकिन चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते हैं. प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक किया करिए और शेयर करिए. हालांकि मैं 30 मिनट्स में पूरे 90 क्वेश्चन करवा देता हूँ. तो प्लीज़ थैंक यू सो मच वॉच फॉर दिस वीडियो. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में.